Hi, Eric Linask with TMC. We're here at Cloud Expo East in New York, and I'm talking with JS Bruneau from OVH.com this morning. JS, good morning. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
So we're hearing an awful lot about an increase in cloud adoption, increased interest in what people are doing with the cloud. What are you seeing out there?
Plenty of quite interesting things. Moving to the cloud for us was a definite logical step. We've been providing dedicated server for quite some time, since 1999 to be exact. And with the automation we were doing and the ability to provide a server with a couple of hours, within an hour actually, going and providing dedicated infrastructure in the cloud at the same speed was the next logical step.
What drove you to make that change? Was it out of necessity? Was it client request?
It was mainly client request. We've seen that the market was going in that direction. We saw that there was a lot of potential, so it was the logical move to do.
What is the cloud doing to help your clients? What is your move to the cloud helping your clients do?
It provides great agility for our client. They can scale up or down their business within a few minutes. We can adapt to variable workload. Should there be a mediation for a website, we can scale up to 100 nodes within 10 minutes.
What's the reaction been from your client base?
Clients have been quite happy so far. They've been impressed by the speed at which we can provide infrastructure. That is only typically seen with virtual machine, but we do the same thing they have with virtual machine with the full hardware.
Now, do you integrate with what customers are doing on premises, or is it an all or nothing option?
We can easily integrate with what the customer have on-prem. We are a vCloud data center, which means that for VMware product, we can easily integrate with what they have. It is really a guarantee that what they have on-prem can work in our cloud, and if they choose to move from our cloud back inside, that can be done as well. So it's really a guaranteed compatibility and interoperability.
And what about integration and interoperability with other cloud providers?
It is possible as well if they are vCloud data center that will work seamlessly. We also expose the full VMware API that allows to integrate quite easily with other services.
What kind of things are your customers putting out in the cloud? Are they still using it mainly as a test bed, or are they putting live applications, production applications out there?
They're definitely putting production application out there. We have multiple companies that are using it to host websites. It can go from there to in-house applications, VDI, as well as corporate services.
Are you seeing a lot of interest in VDI?
I do. We have a lot of customer requesting about this. It's definitely also in our roadmap to provide an out-of-the-box solution for customers.
Is that something that folks are using mainly in-house, or are they using to increase the mobility of their users?
I've seen both situations. It really depends on the business. From that standpoint, we don't have much visibility, as we are mainly an infrastructure provider. We will not see how the customers are using it, but there's a possibility of bringing your own device and ensuring data security that makes customer appreciate VDI as well.
Are your customers still concerned, or do you have a better understanding of what they need to do in terms of security and what you're doing in terms of cloud security?
It is definitely a concern for all customers. We're working towards achieving specific certification for North America. Our cloud in Europe is certified ISO 27001, which ensured that we are putting the best practices mandated by the industry in order to ensure the confidentiality and security of our customers' data.
Excellent. JS, thank you so much for joining me this morning. I'm Eric Linask here at Cloud Expo. Check out all of our Cloud Expo coverage on the TMC Video Newsroom.